From AAAFx, this is Chris Lewis taking a look at the Euro Swiss and another positive day for the Euro against the Swiss franc. Now, a lot of traders will ignore this pair, and it's basically at their peril because this is the key to what happens with all Swiss franc pairs, and to a lesser extent, it gives you an idea of what's going on with the Euro. Keep in mind that Switzerland sends something akin to like 82.5 to 83% of its exports into the EU. So, generally speaking, it is held hostage by what's going on in the EU. And if you think about it geographically, it makes quite a bit of sense. But another reason that I'm watching this, you can see that I had been watching this consolidation area, is that we are on the precipice here of a pretty significant area of potential resistance right here at the 0.9550 level. And I do think it's a zone that we're testing because right here at about 95, you can see that it was important, but there's also some noise right here around 95.60 or so. So I'm going to look at it as a zone. But if we can get a daily close above this 200-day EMA, it could be the beginning of something rather special. On the other hand, if we see signs of exhaustion, so looking at the weekly chart, you can see just how oversold we are. But if we were to see signs of exhaustion, well, that could put this trend line into play. And this trend line could be a great shorting opportunity. So how do you play it? Well, the first thing you're going to do, I would suggest, is that you wait for the end of the day. I don't think I would jump in right away. But if we get some sign of exhaustion here and then follow through breakdown below 0.95, I think that the odds are we're going to pull back. On the other hand, if we get above 0.9560 on a daily close, that's the beginning of a breakout. Now, for what it is worth, the dollar and the British pound both have broken out against the Swiss franc. So it's possible, maybe even probable, that we get a breakout, especially here with the 200-day EMA. You know, that should bring some money into the market. I'd be cautious. I wouldn't jump the gun here, but this is definitely an intriguing setup.
AAAFx.